So today we're going to learn how to customize a template. So what template are we going to create? This is going to depend on you. So for me, from my end, I'm just going to search. Let's come to template. I'm going to search for quote design. Instagram quote design. Instagram quote design. And I want it red. I want a red color Instagram quote. And what we got is this, okay? They don't really give me the vibe of the things I was hoping to search for. Or maybe we can use this category to search, okay? It's better way. So I'm going to search for Instagram posts, okay? And let me remove the Instagram here now. I don't need it because I just want the quotes since I'm already selecting the category. And I'm going to remove this design. It's not related. So I'm going to search quote red, okay? So those are the keywords. So, wow, this is my design. We're gonna customize this, okay? We're gonna customize this. So I wasn't expecting to see it, honestly. This is my quote. So what I can do now is you can see by graphic design, my name is showing right here. So what I can do now is to customize this template, and I'm going to click on customize, and it's going to open in a new tab. Okay, there's actually a setting for that, whereby when you click on the design, it opens in a new tab. If yours is not working, just bear with it. I think it's going to work by default like that. Just a quick recording here. I prefer using the web version. There's actually a desktop version of Canva, but I just prefer using the desktop version. I mean the website to design it more convenient for me because I can actually just see my folders. Though the one for the desktop version also has folder, but like tabs rather. But I just prefer using it. You can actually go to your web store and download the one for your desktop app. If you're using Mac, you can also download the app version on your phone too. There's the app version and there's also the web version. If you've noticed me ever since, I'm constantly using the web version. I don't know, I'm just used to it. I don't really worry myself. I have the desktop version, but I just prefer using this. So just to let you know, that's my personal preference. Okay, so you can use the app. So what we have now is this one. So we can actually just change the text and change the color. Let's say I don't like the color of this. Maybe I want to change it to, maybe my brand color is more of purplish. So I'm just going to choose something purple, and I'm going to make this one to be and pick something terrible. I'll make something white. That's not cool at all. This combo is almost nice. Let me pick something lighter. No, pick something darker. Okay, I love black design. Let me change this to black. Let's give it some black vibe. And this one, let's give it some more yellowish. I love yellow. And this one, let's make it a bit black. Make the text to be black. And on this one, I can change this one out to my name. You can type it whatever you want. And this one, I'm gonna make it white, or I can make it yellow. So the next thing we're going to learn is how to download our design. Okay, once your design is ready, you just need to click on share. Okay, pay attention here. Click on share and click on download, and just click on download again. For those of you that are using mobile phone, right at the top left corner of your phone, you're going to see an arrow that's pointing down. Just click on that arrow. It's going to download your design. It's way simpler on your smartphone than on laptop. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download, and I'm supposed to change this color here. The contrast isn't good. I'm supposed to change it to black, but I'm already downloading. Okay, and let me just change it, but I've already downloaded. Now we have our design downloaded. So your assignment is look for a template that you like. You can use this one, you can use the one from my profile, customize a quote design and send it to the group. Okay, that's your assignment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.